Hello?
Hello.
Counsel, you hear me?
Yes, good morning. Can you hear me, Your Honor?
We are on the record. This is file number 23-155302, James Chandler versus 36th District Court. Motion for summary disposition. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Andrea Bradley Baskin, P70474, appearing as General Counsel for 36th District Court.
And what is your name, sir?
James Chandler.
All right. We have a motion for summary disposition. You file an answer to that motion, sir?
Point of order. It's actually a lawsuit. It was a civil matter. They stepped on my rights.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm aware this is a civil matter.
Okay.
I'm aware there's a complaint. A motion for summary disposition has been filed. My question to you is, did you file an answer to that motion?
Yes.
When did you file an answer to the motion for summary disposition, sir?
I contacted the Civil Rights Department. I contacted the news.
Okay. All right. Let me hear from counsel.
Your Honor, yes, we filed our motion for summary disposition in lieu of an answer proceeding pursuant to MCR 2.116C8. We received no response to that motion. Our position with respect to the answer is that there is no cognizable claim that the court can proceed on. There are no allegations at this point that would form a claim that the court could render a judgment on. And so we'd ask at this time that this matter, as presented to this court, be dismissed.
Point of order.
Excuse
What
me.
did you want to say, sir, despite the fact that you did not file an answer to the motion for summary disposition? What did you want to
I
say?
reached out to the bailiff. You guys were served. They didn't show me a victim. They didn't show a warrant. The action was a misdemeanor. They violate corpus delicti. If the action was an infraction, they never get consent from the people. I need to see the bill of particulars and the nature of the charges and where is the bid of bond for that case. There was
All right, thank you.
Yes.
The court's prepared to rule in this matter. The court has an affirmative duty to constantly examine its own subject matter jurisdiction. 36th District Court is an arm of the state of Michigan. The only area, the only court in which the state of Michigan can be sued in the state of Michigan is in the Court of Claims. 36th District Court, circuit courts, Court of Appeals lack jurisdiction. A lawsuit against an entity of the state, including the 36th District Court, must be brought in the Court of Claims, which has exclusive jurisdiction against claims brought against the state. This case is dismissed without prejudice.
Point of order.
Excuse me.
The general misconception.
Excuse me. For the reason that the court lacks subject matter jurisdiction. Sir, you have an absolute right to appeal my decision. That appeal must be perfected within 21 days of today in the Wayne County Circuit Court. Thank you both for coming here.
Put it on record. You go against Marbury versus
Put
Madison.
on the record, sir.
Marbury versus Madison. You're breaking the Constitution. Yes, you're breaking the
Marbury versus
Constitution.
Madison. What was Marbury versus Madison about? Sounds like an interesting case.
Yes. The general
What was it about?
The general misconception is that any statute passed by legislators bearing the appearance of law constitutes the law of the land. The U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land, and any statute to be valid must be in agreement. It is impossible for a law which violates the Constitution to be valid. Yep.
So Marbury versus Madison
Yes, supreme law.
That the Supreme Court of the United States
Yes.
has the ability to void or unrule unconstitutional a statute passed by the Congress.
Yeah, what you're doing is unconstitutional, and therefore I won the case.
Please complete your record.
I
Why
won.
am I unconstitutional when I am fulfilling my statutory duty to examine my subject matter jurisdiction?
You go against your oath of office, 5 U.S.C. 3331.
My oath of office.
Yes, to the Constitution.
Oath of office, sir.
Yes.
You do understand that I'm a state judge, not a federal judge.
You're all under the Constitution. You all took an oath.
Thank you. We're done. Matter is
Let it-
dismissed
put it
without
on the record.
prejudice for lack of subject matter jurisdiction. I'll send you out an order today. And again, sir, you have 21 days.
Yes, your bonds is on the record. Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.